In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Shein to ensure your online shopping experience is as smooth as possible. We're going to go through the process of finding exciting products and adding them to your wish list, a feature that makes it easier to save items you're interested in for later. First things first, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Shein's website. Once you're there and the page has loaded, you're met with a sea of vibrant, eye-catching options. Everything from clothing and accessories to home decor. It can be a little overwhelming at first with the number of choices available, but that's where having a wish list comes in handy. Now, if you're eyeing something that you'd like to save as a favorite, there's a simple way to do so. First, you want to go to the cart section of the website. This is typically represented by a shopping bag or cart icon, which is usually located towards the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to open up your cart. In this section, you get a clear view of everything you've already selected for purchase, and it serves as a perfect place to review your picks, just in case you want to make any last-minute changes. Within the cart, when you find an item you'd like to add to your wish list, all you have to do is to click on the heart icon next to that product. This heart icon is universally recognized as the emblem for adding items to a wish list or favorites. Once you click it, the item will be saved to your wish list and you can find it there anytime that you revisit the site. This feature not only helps you keep track of items you're interested in, but also saves you the hassle of having to go through pages and pages of products just to find that one particular item you fell in love with. There's something so satisfying about having an organized shopping approach, isn't it? It not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also very convenient. You can easily decide to revisit your wish list and finalize your decisions when you're ready to make a purchase. This way, you're less likely to impulse buy too, since you've taken the time to really think about whether you need the item or not. And that's it. You're done. Adding items to your wish list is such a simple yet incredibly handy function. By following these steps, you can streamline your shopping trips on Shein and make sure you never miss out on items you're interested in. Thanks for joining me today to explore this feature, and I hope it enhances your online shopping experience moving forward. See you next time.